In this movie, I'd like to show you how to use the pretty valuable offset tool. So we're just going to start here and just kind of play around. We're going to start a new sketch. And let's go ahead and let's make a rectangle. And let's put a triangle in here somewhere, like so. Okay, and let's finish the sketch. Let's extrude. Something like that. Okay. Let's turn on some shadows here. All right. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to start a new sketch on one of these faces. And so what we want to do is, like, maybe I want to, instead of shelling this part out, I'd like to kind of shell it out on both sides and have like a middle wall. So one way to do that is I'm going to project the geometry of this whole part here. So now I have these yellow lines on my plane that I just drew. And I can click offset, and I can click one of these enclosed loops here, and I can offset a shape however far I want to. I'm just going to go in like 0.02. And now I have that offset. I could click offset again and do the triangle also, and I could do 0.02 or something like that. And then what I can do is I could finish that sketch. I could extrude that middle section. I can cut it backwards, and we'll go like 0.04. And so I have that kind of somewhat shelled in there. And so what I could do then is I could actually go on the other side and pretty much do the same thing. So I could start a sketch on this side. I could click project geometry, get my yellow lines on there, offset, grab this square, bring it in 0.02, and then I could offset this triangle, bring it out 0.02, and finish sketch there, and then extrude that section. I could cut it in again, 0.04 is good. And then, so what I've done is I've kind of shelled it inwards on both sides. So that offset tool is pretty valuable. You can, if you need a kind of a same shape and just offset it a little bit from what the original thing is, that offset tool is the thing you need to use. I think it'll help out, hopefully.